Let's make this really cute fall centerpiece together. It's super easy. We're going to start with this nesting box. We're going to use the biggest one, put a piece of green foam underneath it, and then use the smaller nesting box on top. We're going to get some fall foliage. We're going to put it all the way around that greenery. Next, after we have that done, we're going to put in some pip berries, again going all the way around. Next, we're going to put in these really pretty blue leaves. I spray painted them, so they're super pretty. I'm going to put all the information in the description box so you can see the items that I used. Next, we're going to add some raffia to that small nesting box that's on top, and we're going to add a fun, pretty pumpkin to go on the top, and voila, that's it. You can do this. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.